After more than 3 decades of competition, shipping giants John Fernandez Limited and Moonshores Limited have joined forces to establish Cranes Guyana, a joint cargo and freight company aimed at meeting the country's growing development needs. Earlier today, Cranes Guyana officially commissioned 2 state-of-the-art mobile harbor cranes, a move that will enhance the efficiency and safety of port operations in Guyana. The collaboration marks a significant milestone in the modernization of the country's port infrastructure. The companies secured financing from the Inter-American Development Bank (IDB) to acquire the cranes, named Atlas and Hercules. Each crane has a lifting capacity of 125 tons and an operating reach of 49 meters. The total investment of US $14 million not only covered the purchase, but also facilitated the integration of the 2 ports. The deployment of these cranes has already commenced, enabling vessels without onboard cranes to offload cargo efficiently. Previously, ships needed their own cranes for unloading, limiting port capabilities. Now speaking at the commissioning ceremony, CEO of John Fernandez Limited and Director of Cranes Guyana, Philip Fernandez, says this development was designed and constructed by local service providers.
The construction of the joining and reinforcement of the berths started in March 2023, and it was led by our own local Bageshwar Murli and designed by SRKN. And in fact, all the works here done in order to accommodate these massive machines were 100% designed and constructed by local service providers. We both reached out to the IDB, who took us through the gauntlet of requirements, all the while when Lorena was smiling. But thankfully, we came out on the positive side. They found us worthy enough, and they have kindly financed the purchasing of the cranes. The cone cranes, gut-walled mobile harbor cranes, we have named them Atlas and Hercules, and they're designed to serve Panamax-class vessels.
CEO of John Fernandez Limited and Director of Cranes Guyana, Philip Fernandez. In the meantime, Executive Director of Moonshores Limited, Robin Moonshores, is calling for the establishment of a national port in Guyana.
These cranes represent the future of the shipping industry in Guyana and the future of our respective companies and our combined will. The future beckons and the future dictates that we cannot continue to operate the 2 busiest ports in Guyana in the busiest square mile of the country. So we have been engaging the government and our very forward-looking and progressive president on the path forward, which is to have a national port in Guyana, something that we're all committed to. And these cranes will be the harbinger of that future. So this is the future, and here's to the future.
That was Executive Director of Moonshores Limited, Robin Moonshores.